my friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you my top 6 beauty hacks you must know. These are simple, easy, yet really effective beauty hacks. Before we go ahead, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great tips and tricks. So let's cut to the chase. First hack. Do you have curly and frizzy hair and you want to straighten it? Here is a simple and easy hack. Use a Dizzy Dry hot iron to straighten your hair the way you see in this video. Remember to be careful using the hot iron. Keep doing it. It's just 2 minutes and you will get your hair really straight and smooth. Second hack. Here's a really quick tip to get instantly bright and glowing skin. It will take you just 5 to 10 minutes and you will be surprised to see the results. To prepare it, all you need is aloe vera gel and gold powder. Mix them really well and apply properly all over your face. Leave it on your skin for up to 10 minutes and there you are. You will get beautiful, glowing skin. Third hack. Do you have dark lips? This is the easiest hack to lighten your dark lips instantly. Put some Vaseline on a clean toothbrush and brush your lips gently for 2 minutes. You will be surprised to see the difference. Your lips will turn smooth and pink. Fourth hack. This is an effective and fast hack to whiten yellow teeth. For this easy tip, you need to take a foil and put some toothpaste on it. Sprinkle some baking soda over the toothpaste and mix it well. Then, wrap this foil all around your teeth and leave it on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the foil and gargle with water. This remedy will make your teeth white and bright. Fifth hack. This recipe is one of the best recipes to clean your skin. It's very effective in getting rid of layers of dead skin. It will make your skin clean and healthy. For this hack, you will need some baby powder. Add baby oil in it and mix it well. Dip a slice of tomato in this mixture and rub it on your face for approximately 10 minutes. Then, gently wash it off with cold water. Do this daily for the next 3 days to remove dirt and dead skin from your face. Tomato reduces the secretion of skin oils and reduces the appearance of acne and blackheads. It cleans, moisturizes, and softens the skin. Last one. Want to change your look? Curl your hair naturally without using hot curlers and irons? This is a tip to curl your hair overnight at home. First, divide your hair in sections, like shown in the video. Then, take small strands of hair and fold them. You have to secure its folded section using bobby pins. After folding all the sections of your hair, spray a lot of water on it and leave it overnight. Remove the pins when you wake up and you're done. Enjoy your natural curls. So that's it for today. If you like my hacks, give me a thumbs up and send your feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!